Today we'll be making Crockpot chicken noodle soup. For this recipe, you will need a pound of boneless, skinless chicken, 1 chopped onion, 3 large carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 3 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of thyme, rosemary, kosher salt, black pepper, and parsley, 2 teaspoons of better than bouillon chicken flavoring, 9 cups of chicken broth, and an 8-ounce bag of egg noodles. If you don't have some of these ingredients, you can always substitute items. I didn't have better than bouillon, so I'm using this alternative chicken flavoring packet. To start, put the chicken in the bottom of the crock pot. Chop up all your veggies and add them as well. Next, add the seasonings and the chicken broth. Give a good stir and put the lid on. Let it cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Remove the chicken, shred it, and then add it back to the crock pot. You will also want to test a piece of celery and carrot to make sure that they're soft enough for your liking. Make sure your crock pot is on low and add the egg noodles for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And then it's ready to serve. Enjoy!